Got a little job. I'm gonna weld this flower back onto this fence, and then one of those chairs in there needs to be welded up. Let's get to it. Flowers all welded up, sides welded up, and I welded up this a little bit, welded that. Now it doesn't fall apart when they go sit on it. But first job of the day is done.